Hello, beautiful students. I hope you had a wonderful spring break. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020, and here is our first lesson back. Before we continue, I want to give a reminder of online classroom expectations. Consequences for non-academic behavior will be the same as though we are in the classroom. First, you receive a warning. This is your warning. Second, I will give you a private check-in through email or Hangouts. Third, I will give you a think time sent through Google Forms. Fourth, I will do a parent contact. And fifth will be a log entry. Please note that our normal step 4 would be keeping you in for end of block RTI, but it's removed because it does not apply to digital learning. Today's agenda, I want you to share positives and negatives. We're going to try using Flipgrid today. I will attach that. I want you to complete the Do Now that is going to be available on the exit ticket. I want you to complete 20 minutes of Read 180. And I would like for you to work on the vocabulary review, which is also found on the exit ticket. During Zoom, you will check in and you can ask and answer questions about today's assignment, vocabulary review. After our Zoom meeting, I want to make sure that you turn in your Google form to review our learning today. Our objective: I can write sentences using precise academic vocabulary. I can write sentences using precise academic vocabulary. Our Do Now for today: you can access the Do Now through our exit ticket. Let me show you our exit ticket. Where you will write your Do Now. And our focus vocabulary word is region. Region. It is a place noun. And our sentence is, I live in a blank of the country that has blank period. I live in a blank of the country that has blank period. Please make sure on your Do Now you include the period. Also, please note that in the first blank we have a noun, and in the second blank we have a noun phrase. Remember, the phrase is 2 or more words. You can, if you want, pause your video and set a timer for 2 minutes in order to work on your Do Now. Timer begins now. Okay, you should have finished your Do Now. Please now set your timer to 20 minutes so you can do your HMH software, either Read 180 or System 44. So I'm going to set my timer for 20 minutes and then log on to HMH through my bookmarks. Your timer can begin now. Welcome back. If you've already done your 20 minutes of software rotation, you can fill out on your exit ticket, what did you work on in your software? Did you do your Explore Zone, Reading Zone, Language Zone, Fluency Zone, Writing Zone, or Success Zone? You can also write any questions that you have. So now we need to complete the vocabulary review. If you click on this hyperlink, it will take you to the vocabulary review. And I'm going to select some random things so I can access the vocabulary review. So we have some more focused vocabulary words. The reason we are doing the vocabulary review is because we will have a formative assessment practice tomorrow. And then on Thursday, we will have the formative assessment. Remember, formative assessments are not graded, but they give me data so that I can move you up or down levels in Read 180, so I can determine what I need to teach you in the future. On your vocabulary review, we are going to in the Zoom meeting will discuss the following words and answers. You can join us for the full Zoom meeting, but please remember to check in for attendance. The first vocabulary word is destroy. It is a verb that means to damage. The second focus vocabulary word is factor. It is a noun. It means a reason. Our third focus vocabulary word is particular. It means a specific aspect. Our fourth focus vocabulary word is severe. It means hard or difficult. Our fifth focus vocabulary word is widespread. It means in many places. So what you need to do here for your focus vocabulary is first you will answer which sentence best demonstrates the focus vocabulary word. So for example, on number 1, the focus vocabulary word is destroy, and sentence A says, the rain that fell after the long drought caused new prairie grass to grow. Sentence B says, the hurricane knocked down fences and blew roofs off buildings. Which sentence best represents destroy? I think it is B, because that is showing damage. The hurricane knocking down fences and blowing roofs off of buildings is an example of destroying things or causing damage. Versus sentence A, the rain that fell after the long drought caused new prairie grass to grow. That's a benefit. A benefit is something positive that happens, and that is the opposite of destroy. Then I need to explain why I selected sentence A or sentence B using the sentence frame. I selected A or B because blank period. So I'm going to write, I selected B because knocking down fences and blowing roofs off buildings are examples of, quote, destroy, period, quote. Notice that I use the word destroy, which goes back to our objective. I can write sentences using precise academic vocabulary. I am using my precise academic vocabulary in this example. In our Zoom meeting, we will continue to go through these together as a class, in breakout rooms, and then finally by yourself. When you are done, you will submit your Google form so I can grade it. Your exit ticket will be available in multiple places. Please check in for Zoom and do not ever forget, we are successful.